Goodbye, doggy. My nose itches. What is going on, everybody? I'm gonna try to make this video short. I know I say that a lot, but they end up being like 10 minutes. I'm gonna try to not do that this time. Alright, so I'm gonna try to just make this a quick update video. I know I don't have a huge channel, but a lot of you actually do follow me and do message me. And it's like a one-on-one with people, which is kind of cool. I'm not some giant channel that like never responds to people, so I feel like I have more of a connection with you guys. For those of you that do watch my videos anyway. Alright, so basically it's Thursday today while I'm recording this. I'm probably going to put this up on Friday, maybe Saturday. But unfortunately, next week I have to go back to school. And this weekend I have a drill with the National Guard, so I'll be gone this weekend as well. But for my first few weeks of school, I'm not going to be taking my bike. I have a lot of stuff to bring back and forth and get settled in. And I actually have to pay for like a tag for the bike too, so they don't ticket me. But I'll see about bringing the bike to my college. I don't know about taking it on that like 3-hour journey though. It's a sport bike. I'm not sure how I feel about that. Do you guys see this cloud right now? It's like really dark. It's not that bad. It says it's supposed to rain later today. Yeah, there I go again, updating you guys on the weather. You know how I do. Oh, there's a big dog in that car. Oh, I want to go say hi to it. Goodbye, doggy. But anyway, if I have my bike at college, I'll be able to film some there. I'm not sure what I would do yet. When I had my last car, oh, a Lotus. Oh, distractions. When I had my last bike, the Z650, I have some videos there from my college. I mostly just told stories, I think, and I took it out once to a new place to eat to try and find some local food joints down there in Augusta. My nose itches! So if any of you guys have ideas for what I should make videos of or anything you guys want to see, that'd be awesome. Just comment, man. What do you guys want to know? What do you want to see? What do you want to do? Also, for those of you around Georgia, I know I'm not going to have a ton of free time in the upcoming weeks because of college, but I would love to meet up with some of you guys and ride. I know I get messages every now and then of people doing them, but they like always seem to be on times I'm busy, and that really sucks. That's an M3. I get so distracted by cars. I'm a car and bike guy, I really am. Oh, this hurts my back. I have a helmet in my backpack, and the shape of it, like, it's really uncomfortable. I need to find a better way to do that. Oh, I just pushed it up on my back, and that's actually a lot better. I feel like I look stupid now, but whatever. Hey, just some ideas for some videos. I have a dirt bike that, like, hardly runs. It doesn't really work very well, and, like, the throttle gets stuck on it, and I don't know, a bunch of issues. But if you guys want to see me take that out on some trails, I can do that. I also, in my backyard, have just some area where I can shoot guns if you guys are interested in that. Just see a little gun montage. I don't know what you guys want to see. I'm just a small channel with like 200 something followers. You know how it be. Also, shout out to Sport Bike Society on Instagram for reposting my video. Mine has like almost 16,000 views, and theirs has been up for like 2-3 days and already has like 74,000 or something. It's ridiculous. But that gave me like 100 new followers on my Instagram, so that's cool. If they would come over here and subscribe to my YouTube, that'd be awesome. It better not rain. I'm gonna be a very unhappy camper. Why is there so much trash on the road, man? That ain't cool. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna cut this off so it's not like a really long video. That's all I got. I just want to let you guys know I'll be going to college soon, so I'm not sure when I'm gonna be able to get videos out, but I will try. I promise I'm not gonna disappear for too long. Don't leave me, guys. Don't leave me. I'll return. I'll come back. I just gotta go throw the ring into Mount Doom in Mordor. It's okay. I'll be back. I love you guys. Thanks for all the support and for all the comments and stuff, man. You guys make my day when you message me. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time. Always remember, Red cars have plus 10 horsepower. Smash that like button! Smash it! Oh, Maserati. Oh, man. Choo! Oh, Stingray. Do-do-do. 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 Doop. That's like plus 10 horsepower right there.